Hi, how are you? It's Seán here from SAS Landscapes. Just want to talk to you today while we're on a coffee break about some of the unseen work that goes into patios. What we're standing on here last week was a raised deck that had fallen apart and was ready to be replaced. So the client wanted the whole patio raised up to the original height of the decking, which was a challenge because the side entrance, it doesn't facilitate a digger or a dumper. So everything had to come through the old school way, wheelbarrows and shovels. So some of the work that the people coming to use this patio in the future will not actually see that goes into it is a lot of prep work. We had to dig a foundation strong enough to hold a retaining wall, which you can see all around here, a blockwork retaining wall. And then, believe it or not, there is 25 ton of hardcore in what we're standing on right now. That all had to come in through the side entrance with wheelbarrows and shovels. That's been compacted and compacted and compacted in order to not have a call back in 5 years' time, to say our patio has dropped, patio has cracked, or there's any issues with it down the line. So it's this kind of work that goes into a job to do it properly that you don't always see or appreciate when you're enjoying the patio later on. There is another 4 ton coming today to finish this off, and that will be a grand total of 29 ton of hardcore to bring this beautiful porcelain patio up to the height that the client can slide open their big sliding doors and just walk out directly onto their patio and enjoy it in the sunshine. That's it for today. Talk to you soon. See you. Bye bye.